What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making Jackfruit Barbacoa tacos. So flavorful and perfect for Meatless Mondays. Start off by squeezing all the moisture from your jackfruit. I find mine in a can at Trader Joe's. Next, cut it up into small pieces. They don't have to be perfect because it's supposed to look like meat, but the smaller the pieces are, the better they will marinate. For your marinade, you will add bay leaves, cumin, oregano, ground cloves, steak seasoning, diced white onion, garlic, a few drops of liquid smoke, chipotle peppers, and lots of vegetable broth. Place your jackfruit in the oven for 45 minutes at 350 degrees. And finally, using a fork, pull apart the big chunks of jackfruit and enjoy. This is so spicy and savory, you won't ever miss meat. I make tacos or rice bowls with this. It's one of my favorite meals, and added bonus, your house will smell delightful afterwards. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more yummy recipes coming soon.